Before adding controllers in vManager, one thing I have forgot was enabling tunnel interface in VPN. Zero interfaces of controllers and allowing the services, so let's do it now. Let me show you how to add controllers in vManager. First, open vManager GUI. Second, go to configuration. Third, select devices. Fourth, select controllers. Fifth, select add controllers from drop down menu. Select the type of controller you want to add, vBond or vSmart. Sixth, fill the fields accordingly. Go to shell mode in vManager. Generate root key. Confirm the root key. Generate root.pem. Confirm you have root.key and root.pem. Copy the contents of root.pem. Change the controller certificate authorization to use Enterprise Root Certificate in vManage GUI. Generate certificate signing request for vManage. Create certificate for vManage. Copy the contents of vManage certificate, then go to vManage GUI and install the certificate. Generate certificate signing request for vBond and copy its content. Create a file in vManage visual named vBond. Press I to insert. Press ESC, and type WQ and press enter. To save file. Create vBond certificate. Copy the contents of vBond certificate, then go to vManage, GUI and install the certificate. Create a file in vManage visual named vSmart and press I to insert. Press ESC, and type WQ and press enter. To save file. Create vSmart certificate. Copy the contents of vSmart certificate, then go to vManage, GUI and install the certificate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, it will motivate me.